Hey there, welcome back to Side Channel today.
A male Batoni cichlid is desperate to impress a female. He performs a signature dance. The aquatic Romeo sweetens the deal with a cichlid love potion, a pheromone designed to stimulate the female. A local gang of cuckoo catfish, their skin, covered in taste buds, detects the slightest hint of pheromone. The Batonis are ready to spawn, laying 100 eggs, each the size of a sesame seed. It's the perfect moment for an ambush. The catfish eat as many eggs as they can. And now, they spawn, leaving behind tiny, ticking time bombs. The Batoni mother instinctively collects any eggs. She's not eating them. She has a special ability. Some cichlid supermums raise their babies in their mouths. But this Batoni cichlid has been hijacked, hidden from sight. Inside her mouth, her mixed brood begins to hatch. The oblivious Batoni is devoting time to raising the wrong offspring, twice the size. Ravenous baby cuckoo catfish turn on the cichlid young, opening jaws wide enough to swallow their foster siblings. Head first. The treacherous catfish babies soon outgrow their nursery. They head off alone, keeping a low profile, until ready to prey on another unsuspecting mother, leaving the Batoni to protect her surviving offspring.